So Jim Tagbo's new product in from HOMEBOT Ireland, Irish company, and it's a Spritz robot vacuum and mop. Too big to unbox, so I'm just going to show you here and then we'll take it out and go through the parts. So it's two-in-one robot vacuum plus mop. You've got 360-degree LiDAR navigation, strong 4000 PA suction, auto boost technology, support for up to 5 maps, scheduled cleaning, 6 cleaning modes, carpet detection, auto recharge and resume, and app remote voice control. And that's it there. HOMEBOT Ireland. You can see down here at the bottom all their information there, socials and website and so on. And basically this is what the box looks like here, and as mentioned it's pretty large, so I'll show you the inside. That's it there, so we'll go about unboxing it and show you that next. So here we go. Here we might actually get it done on the table here. You have this big quick guide here in front of you here, as you can see. You've got an app, of course, which you need to do things. That's it there, nothing on the back. Got this cushion here for protection, and in here we have got our plug, and we'll just take this out of the way for a second and show you that. You've got some extra brushes, and you have got your base and what looks like a filter here. So that's pretty much it there. So here is the star of the show, which what I'll do is I'll take this down and show you this. And here it is here. So you've got a home button here, a power button here, you've got the HOMEBOT brand in here, HOMEBOT Ireland. And if you look around the top here, you can see sensors and your water chambers here, and that's pretty much it there. Underneath you've got your wheels. This is where it's going to hit the base. Nice rugged tires there, spins here, and here's your mop, which you can swap out and wash, which is just held on with velcro, which is pretty common. And there is please remove before using. That looks like the filter there, and this seems to just pop off like so by doing that. So this is your water chamber here, and pops out like so, and that's it there. Yeah, and there's the filter inside there. So that filter you seen earlier is what you've got in here, and in short that's what you got. Here's another scanner here on this side. It's not too heavy and it's not too big. Done some of these before, some were quite big, but the technology's moved along since I kind of last one. Done other different types of vacuums, but that's it there. And you've got a QR code here. But that's what it looks like there, anyhow. And again, it looks like you can just pop this down as well to clean it. And we'll just try with one hand. There we go. You can give them a clean in there too. And that's it. Pretty simple and to the point, which is nice. Not too many parts on it like some have had in the past. But again, that's the technology moving on. And that's it there. So what we're going to do is get it set up, get it running, look at the app and all that stuff, and be back after the break. So stay tuned for that. So before you get going, you're going to need to get the app, and it's a smart light app, and you've got a home page here. That's if you've got other devices. Well, this app caters for other devices. Home energy consumption, we don't have that here. And you've got your temperature and all that here, your humidity, do not disturb, you can edit, and here's your Spritz here. So here's a map I've done. It's charging. You can go in here then and do your preferences, which you'll see later on in the video. This will actually speak out on the vacuum itself. And then you've got in here, you've got restricted areas. You can edit and map edits. You can custom your map as well if you want to do so. But you can just let it go off and map itself, as you can see what we've done here already. Press down here. You can go in here to third party device. Tap to auto run, create group, check network, share device and message settings. And of course you can remove the device in there. And that's it. Once you press this, it'll start going. and you go into your rooms in here. So I've just got the hall here just as a demonstration. Tap to run, you can create a scene here as well if you want to do so. And in here in your smarts, you've got all this stuff in here: SMS, telephone, smart protect, shop, all light and master. This again is part of the app itself, IoT, all that kind of stuff there, and what you'll expect to find. And then you go into your home management here: message center, help center, home key information, Apple Watch if you've got one, and CarPlay as well. So you can run all that stuff from in here in the third party services. And in here you've got the other options here for your settings in the UI in the app there. Again, it's up to you what you want to do, but all these you can look at. So I've tested this on both Android and iOS, and we're on the iOS here now, and it works fine. Now what you'll see in the video as well is how impressive it is at cleaning. You'll see in a minute. I put a nice test on it, and it worked better than some more expensive vacuums that I've done. So you got in here your room list and all your devices and your management homepage there as well in the app. But the app is pretty simple to use, and you'll add your device in here, create a scene, add a quick toggle card and scan. So once you get this app, just add your device, it picks it up in 2 minutes, and then you go through and put your settings in. Job is done. So let's take a look at what I can do. Also in the app, which is most important, you've got your schedules, your room management, your clean record, your voice and volume, switch disturb, remote control, which you'll see in the video, consumables management, find your robot, carpet boost, button choy lock, top up cleaning, and device info. And you have this here down on the bottom here, and that's pretty much the app, what you can expect. And you can schedule in there, and we've scheduled one here. Here's the map of one of the rooms, your cleaning record, your voice and volume. Again, just check through them and go through them yourself, whichever suits your own personal setup. Let's look at some more. And just before I pick, and the picture might do it justice, but trust me, it's a lot better after the job is done.
Strong. Standard. Quiet. Mop, flow level low. Mop, flow level medium. Mop, flow level high.
Here's a fine example here of where I put it to the test by setting out these lanterns in a specific manner, and I went through them. Now I've done similar tests before with more expensive vacuums and I couldn't get this correct, and this done it again later on when I was mopping up, which you'll see later on in the video. Hats off in this part here for navigating its way around your house, which is pretty cool. So this is the remote control. turn it around, turn it back, and that's basically how it's going to work. And you can just stop it here and go again like so.